Most people have no idea what to do in the first 24 hours after a car accident, and it costs them thousands. In fact, a simple mistake can cost you up to $10,000 or more in lost benefits and compensation. Don't let that be you. If you've been in a car accident, this video is for you. In the next 7 minutes, you'll learn the step-by-step process of what happens after a car accident and how to navigate the insurance claims process. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to protect your rights and get the compensation you deserve. Step 1. Seek medical attention. The first thing to do after a car accident is to seek medical attention, even if you think you're not injured. In fact, some injuries, like whiplash, may not show symptoms until days or even weeks later. Failing to seek medical attention can cost you up to $5,000 in lost benefits. For example, if you have a herniated disc that requires surgery, the cost of treatment can be as high as $20,000. Step 2. Call the police and report the accident. Calling the police and reporting the accident is crucial, even if it's a minor fender bender. The police report will serve as evidence and help establish liability. Without a police report, you may struggle to get the compensation you deserve, which can cost you up to $3,000 in lost benefits. Step 3. Exchange information with the other party. Exchanging information with the other party is essential. You'll need to get their name, phone number, insurance information, and license plate number. This information will help you file a claim with their insurance company. For example, if the other party is at fault and has a $100,000 insurance policy, you may be able to recover up to $50,000 in damages. Step 4. Document the accident scene. Documenting the accident scene is crucial. Take photos of the damage, the location, and any visible injuries. This evidence will help establish liability and support your claim. For instance, if you have a photo of a skid mark that shows the other party was speeding, you may be able to recover an additional $2,000 in damages. Step 5. Notify your insurance company. Notifying your insurance company is essential, even if you're not at fault. Your insurance company will guide you through the claims process and help you get the compensation you deserve. For example, if you have a $500 deductible and your insurance company covers 80% of the damages, you may only have to pay $100 out of pocket. Step 6. Keep a record of your expenses. Keeping a record of your expenses is crucial. You'll need to track your medical bills, lost wages, and any other expenses related to the accident. This record will help you calculate your total damages and get the compensation you deserve. For instance, if you have $10,000 in medical bills and $5,000 in lost wages, you may be able to recover up to $15,000 in damages. Conclusion. In conclusion, knowing what happens after a car accident and taking the right steps can make all the difference in getting the compensation you deserve. By following these steps, you can avoid costly mistakes and ensure you get the benefits you're entitled to. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on car accidents, insurance claims, and personal injury. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content.